Hello, little learners! Are you ready for a shapes adventure? Let's find fun shapes together. Look closely. Shapes are everywhere.
Look, a shape is coming.
Circle shape.
Say circle.
Circle. Round ball.
Ball is a circle.
This is a ball. Ball is a circle.
Look, a shape is coming.
Square shape.
Say square. Square.
Toy block. Block is a square.
This is a block.
Block is a square.
Look, a shape is coming.
Triangle shape.
Say triangle.
Triangle. Pizza slice is a triangle.
This is a pizza slice. Pizza slice is a triangle.
Look, a shape is coming. Star shape. Say star.
Star. Star is a star shape.
This is a star.
Star is a star shape. Look, a shape is coming. Heart shape. Say heart. Heart. Red heart. Heart is a heart shape.
This is a heart.
Heart is a heart shape.
Another shape is here.
Rectangle shape.
Say rectangle.
Door shape.
Door is a rectangle. This is a door. Door is a rectangle.
Great job, little learners! Now you know your shapes.
Circle, square, triangle, star, heart, rectangle. See you next time.